guys, so long story short, together with Tesla Owners Italia, we are going to have a rally today, and we have Tesla Model X, Tesla Model S, Tesla Model 3 and Roadster, the old one, not the new one, don't worry. So there are people here from Italy, Germany, Denmark and Belgium, so 4 countries came, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, and let's hope we're gonna have a lot of good footage and a good weather. That would be nice. So yeah, stay tuned for a lot of Teslas.
Shoes, high heels, keep my wheels spinning for you. A silk shirt I can see through. With that body after hours, there ain't no rules. You can say it's a safe place, but I call it the back room. You're the silhouette I gotta chase. Don't fall in love with your shadow. Hypnotize you while the room is spinning clockwise, like how it's turned on a late night.
Okay guys, game on. The hypermile race. The rules are really easy. You're supposed to go 85 kilometers using the least power possible.
But you still have to make it within 95 minutes.
Yeah, but you still have to make it within 95 minutes.
And you can't be early, you can't be late.
Yes. What does it mean early?
If you're a minute early, you lose 10 points. If you're...
So I have to take exactly 95 minutes?
Yes.
That's nonsense. Oh, it is exactly 95 minutes.
Yeah.
Can I go?
Let me start the trip.
Get her to chill?
Yeah, I already did.
She isn't chill?
Yes. Alright. No hard hits.
I know. So guys, hyper mileage. We got here in exactly 95 minutes, which means we will not get extra points. And we did 167 kilowatts, but there is one person who actually did 155, but he did it with 7-minute delay, so he will get extra points that may or may not make us win. Except for us, everyone is doing 180 something, so we have a chance to win this rally. Woo! The power went off in the whole building, and we don't know what to do now. It's funny. And I'm using the light from my phone to give you light. Yeah, so we are trying to figure something out because now none of the locks is working. And yeah, that's not good. Power's back! Look at it! It's beautiful! I won the rally!
Fire
got a little bit of devil inside.